getting too many alerts. Too many alerts in one day.
The National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a special marine warning for Chandler Sound, Mississippi Sound, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near Cat Island, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots and suddenly higher waves. Waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels and oil rigs, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations impacted include Ship Island, Cat Island, and Mississippi Sound. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location, Mississippi Sound. A line of strong thunder.